If you have a group chat with friends or family and all of a sudden you're not receiving their text messages, maybe you know that they're sending text messages and they message you individually and you get those, but for whatever reason the group text messaging is not working. I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. Let's first just open up the Messages app on your iPhone and hop into that group text message. The first thing we can do is tap at the very top on their names and then scroll down. The first thing I want you to check is to see if you have hide alerts turned on. Essentially, this means you'll still get those text messages, but your phone won't notify you that you got them. You won't have any notification. It won't vibrate or ring. So if you have hide alerts turned on, make sure to turn that off. However, if that's not your issue, you're just not getting them at all, we can fix that in the Settings app. So hop out of here and open up the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom here. And then scroll down again and tap on Messages here midway down. The first thing we're going to do is scroll down, find Retry as text message, toggle this off, and then toggle it back on. Next, tap on RCS messaging, turn this off, and then turn it back on. And you can see waiting for activation, so it will reactivate RCS messaging. And make sure MMS messaging is also turned on. The next thing we're going to do is scroll up from here. And you can see as I scroll up, there's iMessage, and this is toggled on. Let's turn this off and just wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. You can see it says waiting for activation. This will reactivate your iMessage, a lot of times fixing issues with group text, sending or receiving. If those don't work for you, the next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, and scroll to the top. From here, let's toggle airplane mode on. Essentially, we're going to disable from your Wi-Fi and cell data to see if just disabling and reconnecting to the cell phone tower allows those text messages to get through. So then just turn off airplane mode and see if it works at that point. If it doesn't work, scroll down, tap on General midway down, scroll down again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then tap on Reset here at the top. We're going to choose Reset Network Settings. When you do that, it will reset all your network settings for your Wi-Fi, but also your cell data, how those text messages come in from other iPhones or Android phones into your iPhone. So just enter the passcode here for your phone, and it will reset those network settings. If you go through all of these and it still doesn't work, let's force restart your iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold. Just keep holding, even though it says slide to power off, and eventually your entire iPhone screen will go black. Just keep holding even when it goes black, and you're just going to let go of that power button when you see the Apple logo, just like that. Now you've done a forced restart on your iPhone, and it always fixes the issues with not sending or receiving those group texts. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks for watching.